great to be here at CES. Innovation has always been part of Bell's DNA. Bell is creating new concepts to safely and efficiently move people and goods by developing electric and hybrid electric vehicles, VTOL aircraft. The notion of an air taxi is nothing new. We have been moving people for decades with traditional rotorcraft. Nexus captures the vision of quick air travel with unique in-flight experiences.
We're the only company in the world today that operates a powered lift vehicle.
We know the technologies, we are working with partners, and we feel very confident in our ability to make things fly. The future is real, it's possible, and it's coming soon.